South Synagogue.
The Guinness Hog.
The London Synagogue. You know, like on a Friday where they have their fucking prayers.
Yeah,
so
mob.
It's mobs. They all park all these red lines, your lines right. Not one of them gets a ticket. You go and park on one of them now, you get one.
Oh, that was out of order. Cab driver.
Well, I'm living, Nick. No boy, not on living.
That sort of thing, you put that to the carriage office, it'd be in a lot of trouble, wouldn't it? Light was flashing orange, means public come first.
Yeah.
People can imagine, can't you, what that's like when your child is really ill, vulnerable, and they get ripped out of the heart of a family, and you know, they're sleeping in a strange bed with people they've never met before, and the staff there were lovely, you know, they really were, they were kind, there was one nurse called Sally that used to hug my daughter at night. On those nights, you know, I thought, well, at least she's being looked after.
Sat there talking. responsibility.
Well, he's in the wrong lane.
Well, you fucked us up now,
Oh,
are
you
you?
bloody twat. Shift. Move. Oh, you bloody idiot. But he should move.
I know, but now he thinks he's in the wrong thing. Just sit here and wait.
No, but he should have gone straight.
Yeah, but you can... Oh.
Twat. Bloody idiot.
You don't stick his thumb up to you.
I know he did. Oh my fuck me.
Hell the hell out.
It's clearly marked there, right hand turn only lane.
Camera, remember?
I know, but it's clearly marked.
Because that woman run out, he turned and he smashed into... They're parking there, mate.
I don't know, but the idiots.
Just stopped. Is it delivery driver?
I mean, what a place to park. Idiots.
Well, you're going to be able to get that way, aren't you?
Well,
Aren't you?
he shouldn't be parked there, so he's in the way. I mean, for Christ's sake.
Why don't you park behind this tree here? Right there, by that tree
I
there.
know. Inconsiderate
They
prick.
don't give a shit, do they?
They really don't. What are you doing, Audi? What are you doing? Wait! You must have either swerved out like that and gone like that, because I can't see how else he'd have done it.
Makes me think of the saying that a bad driver will never miss their exit or their turn, but in this case they needed to miss the front of my viewer's vehicle, but they didn't. I would say that liability is fairly obvious for this one, but I'm sure that somebody will dispute that as usual, but it should be fairly obvious. In a situation where somebody is reversing, they will always have the greater duty of care, especially when doing such an insane reversing manoeuvre like this. My viewer was thankfully on the ball,